So I want to share with you the most delicious meal that is so good if you're busy and you want big flavour. This is Traybake chicken with Thai red curry paste, squash. We're going to roast it off with coconut milk, with beautiful jasmine rice, and then a quick cucumber pickle. It's so good, and this is one of the recipes that me and Tesco have put together for you so you can enjoy delicious, healthier, affordable meals. So first up, squash. If you've never cooked this before, right, pick it up, buy it. It's delicious, it's really nutritious, and when you roast them in the oven, they're so good. Get yourself a big knife, take the end off, right, and get the tip of the knife in the middle. Don't put too much weight into it, and just cut and rock down the length of the squash, okay? We're gonna put it onto its flat side, and then just get it into a quarter. Remove those seeds, just use a little spoon, cut it into nice chunks, 2-3 centimetre chunks, and then just throw it into your tray. When we roast squash, it gets delicious. It's like an amazing roast potato. It makes you feel really good and comforted. And of course, when you add spice, come on, get 1 heaped tablespoon Thai red curry paste. But look, the great thing about these pastes is it's done all the hard work for you. With the chicken, right, a nice little swap out is to go from the skin chicken thighs to the skinless chicken thighs. We're gonna get that in the tray, a little bit of seasoning while we're here, and just spoon over the chicken and the squash and the paste. It's gonna be intense, it's gonna be delicious, and it's easy. I'm gonna put it in the oven at around 200 degrees Celsius for about an hour. Okay, so the hour is up. Have a little look at this, guys. Oh, beautiful. Now, a nice, healthier swap is to go from the regular coconut milk to the coconut milk light. It's literally about half the saturated fats. So I'm just gonna give it a nice little mix. Take a bunch of spring onions and finely slice. And that, in with the squash, is beautiful. I'm gonna take half a bunch of coriander, stalks and all. Finely slice the stalks. As you get to the leaves, you can kind of chunk it up if you want, and we'll sprinkle that in as well. Final little toss up, guys, look at that. A really nice little dinner, full of colour, full of flavour. The house is gonna smell incredible. Pop this back in the oven for about 10 minutes while I do the rice. Rice goes in, boiling water. You can use basmati rice, brown rice, but the jasmine gives off a stickiness. Pinch of salt, put that on a high heat for around 10-12 minutes. Right. We're gonna make a pickle. Grab a bowl, grab your humble cucumber. Oh yes. Just scratch it down the length, slice it up, big bits, small bits. There's a nice pinch of salt and give it a little toss. Lime, put your weight onto it and roll it, and it will get the natural oils going. Get grater, so the zest goes in, squeeze it. It's almost gonna like pickle the cucumber. Last but not least, coriander, finely sliced. We're gonna toss that through the cucumber, and that's the simplest, tastiest little pickle. So good, lovely. And a nice little way to get the veg up is to celebrate some greens. I'm using these, right? Some lovely sugar snap peas. And you can put them in whole, delicious, or you can slice up. So, everything done, just have a look at that. Sumptuous, gorgeous smelling loveliness. I'm just gonna take these sugar snaps and I'm just gonna sprinkle them over the top, fold it in the residual heat, which is gonna be enough in my opinion. Right, look at the colours. Absolute heaven in a nutshell. So good. So I've got my pickle and then the rice, a few bits of coriander, and I've still got 1 little lime if you want to do a little wedge. 6 people are going to smash that and be very, very happy. The squash becomes so amazingly delicious. Oh, juices galore and a little bit of that cucumber pickle. Come on. All we got to do now is try some. So good. Really gentle, really subtle, really fragrant, definitely comfort food. So there you go, guys. That's a nice little recipe from me to you with love. And with Tesco, they're making it affordable and with the healthier swaps. That's a lovely, nutritious, healthy little dinner. What are you waiting for? Get in store, get the recipe card and get cooking.